Hi, my name is Aren Dobbs, and I'm making this video for students, guardians, and parents so that I can introduce myself and we have a clear expectation for success in this school year. I began teaching at Furr High School in 2016. I'm proud to say I was hired by Dr. Bertie Simmons, and I began coaching at Furr High School in 2018, and I'm proud to say I was hired by Cornell Gray. I've taught many classes at Furr High School. It's been an absolute pleasure of mine over the past decade, teaching in social studies and in English. Amongst all things that I've been involved with, the absolute focus that I've had so far has been the U.S. History STAR Test, and it's something I'm incredibly passionate about, and I find it really rewarding to see students be so successful on this exam. So if you have any questions, please reach out in the email that I've provided in the description of this video, and I look forward to a successful school year.